Okay, so what we got here is a Fiat Ducato or Roller T Motorhome 2022. It is installed with the Ghost 2 Immobiliser system. So the way the system works is without the Ghost code you're not able to start the vehicle. So if I don't enter the code, so if a thief gets in the vehicle and they try to steal the vehicle, go for the steering wheel lock on. Okay, so when they try to start the vehicle, as you can see, vehicle will not turn on. So what you're gonna do, you need to enter your code, which is set to a demo button at the moment. So 1, 2, 3, 4. You get 2 beeps from the system to let you know it's correct.
5G Wi-Fi.
And now you can turn the vehicle on as normal.